The city of Marrakech, Morocco, is a symphony of colors, a riot of flavors, a tapestry of cultures. As you step into this vibrant world, your senses are greeted by the bustling markets filled to the brim with activity, hawkers selling exotic spices, artisans showcasing their intricate crafts, street performers spinning tales of old. Each corner of the marketplace is a microcosm of life, a slice of Moroccan culture. The architecture here is a storyteller, a silent witness to centuries of history. The distinctive red clay buildings stand tall, their earthy tones glowing under the sun, earning Marrakech the affectionate nickname Red City. These structures, with their ornate designs and intricate mosaics, are like time capsules, each brick whispering tales of the past, of empires risen and fallen, of a culture that has weathered the sands of time. But Marrakech is not just about the past, it's a city that beautifully marries the old with the new. Traditional Moroccan designs blend seamlessly with modern architecture, creating a cityscape that's as fascinating as it is unique. Chic cafes sit side by side with traditional tea houses. Modern art galleries share walls with ancient palaces, and trendy boutiques rub shoulders with bustling bazaars. This fusion of the past and present, the traditional and the contemporary, lends Marrakech its distinctive charm. And then there are the locals. Friendly, warm, and always ready with a smile, they are the heart of this vibrant city. They infuse Marrakech with an energy that's palpable, a charm that's irresistible. Whether they're sharing a cup of mint tea, haggling over prices in the market, or simply going about their day, the locals add a unique flavor to the Marrakech experience. In Marrakech, every street is a canvas, every building a work of art, every local a character in a vibrant, ever unfolding story. This city is not just a destination, it's a journey into a world that's rich in history, brimming with life, and bursting with color. Marrakech is like a well-written novel that keeps you hooked till the very end. If you're thinking that such an exotic destination must be expensive, you might want to reconsider. Marrakech, with its vibrant markets and historic architecture, is not only a feast for the senses, but also surprisingly affordable. Let's start with airfare. While prices can vary depending on your point of departure, you can expect to find round-trip flights from major cities worldwide for a few $100s. For example, from New York or London, you can often find deals for around $500. From Sydney or Tokyo, it might be around $1,000. And remember, these are round trip fares we're talking about, not one way. Once you land in Marrakech, where are you going to stay? Well, there's a range of accommodations to suit all budgets. Budget travelers can find hostels for as little as $10 to $15 per night. If you want a bit more privacy, mid-range hotels typically cost around $40 to $60 per night. And for those seeking a more luxurious experience, you can stay in a traditional Moroccan riad for about $100 to $150 per night. Now, let's talk about daily expenses. Food in Marrakech is not just delicious, it's also very affordable. You can enjoy a hearty street food meal for less than $5 or dine at a mid-range restaurant for around $10 to $15. As for transportation, taxis and local buses are widely available and inexpensive, costing just a few dollars for a ride across the city. and sightseeing. Many of Marrakech's attractions, like its bustling souks and historic Medina, are free to explore. Entrance fees for museums and other attractions are usually less than $10. So you see, Marrakech is a destination that offers incredible value for your money, from affordable flights and accommodations to cheap eats and low-cost transportation. It's a city where you can truly immerse yourself without worrying too much about your budget. With a bit of planning, Marrakech offers a rich travel experience that won't break the bank. Marrakech isn't just about the visuals. It's a city where every corner has a story to tell, a tale that unfolds in its main attractions, each one a chapter in the city's rich cultural history. Let's journey together, shall we? First stop, the Jama El Fna Square. By day, this square is a bustling marketplace where you can find everything from fresh fruit to unique trinkets. But as the sun sets, it transforms into a lively stage. Musicians, storytellers, and street performers fill the square, each adding a unique stroke to the vibrant canvas of Marrakech's nightlife. Next, we step into an oasis within the city, the Major El Garden, once owned by the fashion designer Yves Saint Laurent. This botanical garden is a haven of tranquility. Its cobalt blue buildings are surrounded by lush greenery, creating a sight that's as soothing to the eyes as it is to the soul. It's not just a garden, it's a testament to the city's love for art and nature. Then we delve into the city's past at the historic Saadian tombs. Hidden for centuries and rediscovered in the early 20th century, these tombs hold the remains of Saadian sultans and their families. Each intricately carved tombstone is a page from Marrakech's past, whispering tales of its former glory. Finally, we reach the impressive Koutoubia Mosque, Marrakech's most famous landmark. It's not just its height that makes it stand out, but also its role as a symbol of the city's enduring faith. Its minaret, beautifully adorned with curved windows and decorative arches, is a beacon that has guided the city's inhabitants for centuries. Each of these attractions adds a distinct flavor to the Marrakech experience, making it more than just a pretty face. They are not only sights to see, but stories to be heard, experiences to be savored, and memories to be made. These attractions are a testament to Marrakech's rich cultural heritage and a window into its captivating past. But Marrakech is not just about the sights, it's about experiences that leave a lasting impression. Imagine navigating through the labyrinthine streets of the Medina, where every turn presents a new discovery. Here, the old world coexists with the new, and the constant bustle is a symphony of sounds, from the chatter of vendors to the distant call to prayer. It's a place where you can lose yourself only to find something more, something unexpected, something uniquely Marrakech. And then there are the souks, vibrant markets that are a feast for the senses. The air is rich with the scent of spices and leather. The colors of handmade rugs and pottery catch your eye, and the cacophony of haggling fills your ears. It's a dance of negotiation, a playful exchange that ends with a satisfying purchase and a story to tell. But a journey to Marrakech would not be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. The city's gastronomy is a reflection of its rich history and cultural diversity. From the mouth-watering tanginis and couscous to the sweet pastries and refreshing mint tea, every meal is an adventure in itself, a culinary voyage that takes you deeper into the heart of Marrakech. And as the the day winds down, find yourself at a rooftop cafe watching as the sun sets over the city, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson. It's a spectacle that never fails to captivate. A moment of tranquility amidst the city's bustle, a perfect end to a day full of exploration and discovery. But perhaps the most enchanting aspect of Marrakech is its people. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and their eagerness to share their culture with visitors. From the friendly shopkeepers in the souks to the knowledgeable guides, you'll find that the people of Marrakech are as captivating as the city itself. In Marrakech, every day is a new adventure, a new story to tell. Marrakech is more than a destination. It's a journey into a different world, a world where the past merges with the present, where every corner holds a secret waiting to be discovered, where the air is filled with the scent of exotic spices and the melodies of traditional music. Now, let's revisit what makes Marrakech a must-visit destination. Consider the affordability. Traveling to Marrakech can be surprisingly light on the pocket. Round-trip airfare from major European cities can be as low as a couple of €100. Accommodations, fear not. Marrakech offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. From the traditional charm of budget-friendly riads to the luxury of five-star hotels, you'll find something that fits your wallet. But Marrakech is not just about affordability, it's about the experience. It's about wandering through the labyrinthine streets of the Medina, haggling over prices in the vibrant souks, and losing yourself in the history of the Bahia Palace. It's about tasting the rich flavors of Moroccan cuisine, from tangy tagines to sweet mint tea. It's about watching the sunset over the Koutoubia Mosque and feeling the pulse of the city in the bustling Jama El Fena Square. And let's not forget about the locals. The Moroccans are known for their hospitality and friendliness. They are the heart and soul of Marrakech, always ready with a warm welcome and a helpful hand. Whether you're asking for directions or bargaining for a rug, you'll be met with a smile. In Marrakech, there's something for everyone, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a shopaholic, or just someone looking for a unique travel experience. Marrakech has you covered. So what are you waiting for? Marrakech is not just a city, it's a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. It's a place where memories are made, where every moment is a story. So pack your bags and let the magic of Marrakech enchant you. This vibrant city awaits you with open arms.